So when you are getting this invalid condition, then I can say the system of equations has no solution. Therefore, the system of equation has no solution. Okay, so that is the substitution method which we discussed. And next we discussed about elimination method. Okay, so in the elimination method also we are going to see all the possible conditions. Question number 3 I consider. So let me consider any equations with elimination method. Yeah, I think we can take our own equation instead of looking from there. First equation I considered as 2x minus 3y equals to maybe some 6. This is equation number 1 I give. Okay. And the second equation I'll write it as maybe 4x minus 5y equals to maybe some 7. Okay, so this is equation number 2. I have to solve these equations using the elimination method. You observe the a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2, c1 upon c2. They all three are different, so this system of equations has unique solutions. Let's see how elimination method is going to help you. What I do is, instead of putting the equation here, we can put it in the next line. You observe the x coefficient here. Here x coefficient is 2. Sorry. And here the x coefficient is 4. And here the y coefficient is 3. And here the y coefficient is 5. If I want to make any one of the either x coefficient or y coefficient as same, what should I do? If I want to make x coefficient is same, here you have 4x and here you have 2x. If I multiply equation 1 with 2 on both the sides, left of equality, right of equality, let's see what will come. Here I'll write the condition, multiply sides. Okay, you are multiplying equation 1 with 2 on both the sides. Let's see what changes will come in the equation. This equation you are multiplying with 2, right? So what you'll get, 2 into 2, 4x minus 2 into 3, 6y will be equals to 2 6 12, right? So this is our new equation. Let me copy this equation again here down. Okay. Now here you got this as 4x. This is also as 4x. So once you make them same coefficient either for x or for y, here I am doing with respect to x. Maybe we'll solve with respect to y also. How does we do? So now once you make the coefficients are same, here x coefficient is 4, here also x coefficient is 4. Then you see what are the signs they have. Do they have the same signs or do they have the opposite signs? Same signs means this is plus, here also plus 4x. Maybe both can be minus 4, minus 4. Those are called the same signs. Opposite signs means if it is plus 4x, then here it have minus 4x. Or if it is minus 4x, then it will be plus 4x. So in this question we have same signs. When do they have the same signs? Then here you have to interchange the signs of the second equation. Okay, let's see how do you interchange. This plus 4 will become minus 4x. This minus will become plus 5y. And here plus 7 will become minus 7. Is that clear? each and every sign will change. Not only of the one number, each and every sign will change. When I have to change? When they have the same sign, plus 4x plus 4x. So then I have to interchange the signs of the second term. Is it clear? Now see what will come if I add. So here plus 4x minus 4x will get cancelled. So I left with 0. Plus 4x minus 4x both will get cancelled. So I left with 0. Next here you have minus 6y. And here I have plus 5y. Now signs are changed, okay? 5y will be related with plus only. Signs are changed because I multiply with minus on both the sides. So plus 4x will become minus 4x, minus 5y will become plus 5y, and plus 7 will become minus 7. So 4x minus 4x will get cancelled, so that will be 0. Minus 6y plus 5y will give you minus 1y, that is minus y, will be equals to 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 is 5. So finally I can conclude here y will be equals to minus 5. So this is my y value. After getting the y value, now it will be same as which we did in the earlier substitution method. Substitute this y value either in equation 1 or equation 2. Anywhere you can substitute. So let's see what will come. So you have to write the statement, okay? Substitute y equals to minus 5 in equation 1. You can substitute in equation 2 also, no problem. What is equation 1? 2x minus 3y equals to 0. So it will be 2x minus 3y. Y value will be minus 5 will be equals to 6. Is that okay? So just y I am replacing with minus 5 here. Let's see what do you get now. 2x here minus 3 into minus 5. Minus 3 into minus 5 will be plus 15 will be equals to 6. Now further simplification will come. 2x will be equals to 6 minus 15. Then you have 2x equals to 6 minus 15 is minus 9. Am I right? Therefore x equals to minus 9 upon 2. So you got y value and x value in the substitution method. Okay? Okay, students. So we solve this equation by using elimination method. So here why we call elimination method is first we eliminate x or we eliminate y. So let me solve the same question with elimination of y. So you don't need to do both the methods in the exam. You can solve any one method only. So question number 4, I am taking the same equations to eliminate. But here what I have to do is, I have to eliminate y. In the previous question, I eliminated x. Because 4x is getting cancelled. So initially I got y value. Then I got x value. Now what I do is, for the same question, I am solving it the elimination of y. So any one of them you can do. You see here, the coefficient of y is minus 3. And here the coefficient of y is minus 5. How do I make their coefficients the same? Okay, so that I have to multiply equation with some number. I have to multiply equation 2 with some different number, so that the coefficients will remain same. So what I do here, multiply, substitute x value, or maybe x equals to minus 9 upon 2 in equation 1. What is your equation 1 is 2x minus 3y equals to 6 So it will be 2, x will be minus 9 upon 2, okay, that is 2x minus 3y. 3y will be equals to 6. Okay, so here you can see this denominator 2 and the coefficient of 2, both will get cancelled. So I left with minus 9 minus 3y will be equals to 6. So then I'll get, if I simplify, minus 3y will be equals to 6 plus 9 will come, 6 plus 9, which will be equals to 15. So minus 3y equals to 15, then y equals to 15 upon minus 3. So therefore finally I end with y is equals to minus 5. Okay, so I think here also you got y is minus 5 only. So and here also I ended with y equals to minus 5. So here what you can conclude is, whether you eliminate x or whether you eliminate y, the answers are going to be same. If you are getting answers are different, then your answer is wrong. Okay, so please use any one of the method to solve it. Okay, now your homework is solve this system of equations. Where is our example? This example, which has infinite many solutions with elimination method, and see what type of answers or what type of conclusions you are going to get it. Okay, this is question number 5. Question number 5. Use the elimination method to solve this question. Is that okay? Elimination method. Because I know this system of equations has no solution. No solution. If no solution and I use the elimination method, how it is going to look like? Nothing. See here, this coefficient is 2x. If I want to eliminate x, and here is nothing is there, I multiply this equation with 2, then I'll get 2x plus 4y minus 8 equals to 0. 2x plus 4y. Here also 2x plus 4y. Both x and y terms, both the terms will get cancelled if I eliminate. Okay, so I'll get minus 8, say minus 4 equals to 0 condition, which is not possible, hence no solutions are there. Now next question number 6 is, where is the system of equations? Yes. You take this system of equations which has infinite many solutions and try to solve it by elimination method, and let me know what are the conclusions you are going to get it. Just we are seeing, because in the exam suddenly if I ask you to solve this question with elimination method which has no solution, and you should not get confused that what type of answers are going to come. Okay, so these two questions are homework. You solve both the questions, this question with elimination method as well as this question also with elimination method, and let me know what are the conclusions you are going to get. Here I explained both the questions with substitution method. One conclusion I got is 18 equals to 18. Another conclusion I got is minus 4 equals to 0, which is not possible. If the same number equality holds, then system has infinite solution, and equality does not hold, then no solution. Even if you use the elimination method for these two, you are going to get the same condition, 18 equals to 18 and minus 4 equals to 0, and see how it is going to work it out. Okay, so these are the elimination methods, substitution methods for all the three conditions, for no solution, for infinite solution, for unique solution. So next class we will solve cross multiplication method, which is the fourth one. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day, take care.